Hey guys, welcome back to Tractors, Trails, and Living Free. And today we're just helping out some friends. We're gonna go ahead and help them pour a slab this morning here in the summer, and I'm gonna try to learn something from it myself, but otherwise I'm just providing some manual labor. So don't know how long it's gonna take, don't know what's gonna happen, but hope you enjoy it, and we'll see how it goes.
Well, that 14-footer is going to be somewhere in here on the ends. Yeah. So I'll have grade pins set that I can go be on this edge and take my hand float, and where that screw hits this part, I'll float the concrete around so it makes a level spot, or a grade spot. So now I got somewhere to rest my straight edge on to make my grade line, since I can't fit it on both form boards. So that's kind of the idea behind it.
I was wondering how people do that on large slabs.
Yep. So you just section it off that way.
Gotcha.
I don't know what PSI they put in this. My guess is probably around 4,000.
What do they call it?
What's that?
What do they call it?
Well, they'll call it PSI, but when I call and do the batch mix, I usually ask for, like, if we're doing a driveway or, you know, something, I'll ask for like a 6 bag, so good size aggregate. But this, doing a smooth finish, I ask for a 6.5 bag, and then we'll probably put like a 5 or 6 slump. We'll probably do a 5 and add water if we need to. But it's cool this morning, so.
That's a good day for it.
Oh, we're in the shade. Match that to the bottom. Come here, Bryce. Yep. You with that, Mitch? Watch your head, I'll watch mine. Low by Mitch's feet. So we're just working this side of that grade right now. That's awesome, man. Hey.
other side of your pen now. Pull some of these back.
You're gonna be already doing this week.
Yeah.
With that back.
Alright, now stop. Now what I want you to do, it's way low, Dad. Yep. Yep. Feel it.
Right there, Mitch?
Yep. assume you saw it and wanted to wait to fix it. I was looking.
Oh, you got creamy over there. That's crazy.
Yeah, it was super creamy.
We didn't add water over there, no? I was just pulling and pulling that out.
I think that is Bill out there.
Yeah, it was. I saw him fishing the other day.
Oh, you did
Or
see?
when I was prepping.
Alright guys, so now you can see what the final result was of that concrete job that I was helping on. And the main point of it was to basically learn by doing. I've never really participated much in an actual concrete pour, and because I anticipate doing that in the future, I kind of wanted to basically just get some hands-on experience on that. So that was kind of the whole point, to get in and see what tools were needed, to see how the process went, and I guess realize how much work it actually was. So yeah, it was pretty cool. I feel like I did learn a lot, and the guys that were here, they were really knowledgeable, and were kind of helping just answer questions and give me some pointers on how to do like a larger slab and stuff. So it was an awesome experience. It was good to kind of help out friends and family, and kind of just learn some things. As part of the process. So once again, guys, I know it's been a long time since our last video, but thank y'all for sticking around. Our channel has grown some, but I definitely want to get back into making regular videos. So this is one that's kind of a little different, but it's basically prep for me and future projects. So once again, thank you guys for watching, and like, share, and subscribe, and check us out next time on Tractors, Trails, and Living Free.